Hi, so here is the problem. It is the plug with a 9 volt DC. I show you, it's a guitar pedal, I put in and then look at the light. It shows it's on, okay? And then when I test the oscilloscope, 9 volt DC, okay, nothing happens on the screen. According to the instructions, I have to push the select button just one time or a long time. Nothing happens at all. And if I test the other buttons, look, it doesn't work at all. So I would like an advice or a solution from you, please. Thank you for answering to my mail, and thank you for finding a solution. Have a nice day.